Looking for the perfect camera to level up your YouTube videos? Meet the all-new Sony ZV-E10 II, a compact camera packed with powerful features for creators. The upgraded 26-megapixel APS-C sensor delivers stunning image quality with rich colors, impressive detail, and beautiful natural background blur. It features a modern, lightweight design with a fully articulating touchscreen, making it ideal for vloggers, content creators, and streamers. Smooth handheld videos? The improved image stabilization and fast autofocus help keep your footage sharp and steady. Sony's real-time eye autofocus intelligently tracks your face and eyes, so you'll always stay perfectly in focus.
Record crisp 4K videos with incredible clarity, giving your audience a professional viewing experience. Great videos, great sound. The ZV-E10 II supports external microphones for clear, high-quality audio. Thanks to Sony's E-mount system, you can switch lenses to capture everything, from cinematic portraits to wide landscape shots.